asking, afraid of loving you. We know it's true. Canary, we know you're scared to be like you. Trust me, I've knew. We've spent so long with hands intertwined, with bugs in our hearts and stars in our eyes, and nothing matters when you take my hand. But she says you're afraid. You say that I can't piece your life together. Afraid. You say I'd rather die than be together. Afraid. You say the world was built for two and we're together. Afraid. I know I'd rather lie. But canary, will you fall with me? 'Cause you're too hurt to fly. No. Canary, fall in the fall with me. Winter will surely die. You're not gonna win, but you surely won't die. You can't have emotions. I know it feels nice to be called a good leader when you never try. Canary can fall and canary can't fly. Canary, we know. Canary, we know. Canary, we know. Canary, we know. You're scared to bury me inside my tomb. Call, you know I'm afraid to face the truth of losing you. We spent so long quiet and tongue-tied, with rot in our hearts and rats in our eyes, and nothing matters when I take her cold dead hand. But she say you're afraid. You say that you can't piece your life together. Afraid. You say I'd rather die than lose you altogether. Afraid. You say the world was built for one when we're together. Afraid. I know you'd rather die. But canary, will you die with me, since you're too hurt to lie? Canary, fall in the fall with me. We knew we'd surely die. You're not gonna live, but you surely won't cry. You can't have emotions. I know it feels nice to be called a good leader when you never try. Canary can fall and canary can't die. She says, canary, come and fall with me. You're too distorted to fly. Canary, fall in the fall with me, 'cause winter isn't alive. You're not gonna live, you're not gonna die. You can't have emotions, isn't this nice? You're not a good leader, at least you can try. Canary and call, well, they had to die.